Hi everybody, I thought this might be easier if I just make you a video to show you what I mean by the inquiries I want you to review. So here I am at the c3teachers.org website. You click right here where it says inquiries, and what this takes you to is a search screen, so you can filter and search through all of these inquiry lessons that have already been written and submitted. So this first one comes up as a featured inquiry about the French Revolution. Here's one about Uncle Tom's Cabin. Here's needs and wants about kindergarten. So let's click on this one because it's primary, elementary grades. So this little overview right here that it gives you on the screen tells you your compelling question. Why can't we ever get everything we want and need? And then it has staging the question. Here's some brainstorm ideas. But that's all it really has unless you click on the inquiry itself, and then it will take you to the actual lesson here. So you can click on a PDF or a Word doc to download it. You can sort of look at it on the web here. Here's our overarching, our compelling question. Why can't we ever get everything we need and want? Then here's our supporting questions. What do we want? What do we need? How do goods and services meet our needs? So do you see how these build on each other? And then here's the task that the students will do about this question. And then here are sources you can use for answering these questions and completing this task. Okay, here's a summative task at the end to see how they did. And then here's that taking action thing that the C3 framework is big on. That's like always kind of like the extension. All right, so our sources are not here on this. Some of them give you links, some of them don't, but you could download the PDF. Okay, here, now it's a 31-page document, so here's the questions again, supporting questions. Here is the framework they give us. I put this in your module also, this form. This is like a lesson planning form, sort of. So here's a supporting question. Here's the task that you go do with the question. Here's the source. Here's the summary of those summative tasks again. Now here's where you get all this information. This is what I want you to be taking a look at. If we had more than 6 weeks, we would be writing one of these ourselves. But so here is our first set of images. They're using these as their sources because this is kindergarten and pictures are great. In history, like middle elementary school, I've seen lots of videos used as sources, or even historical photos or historical journals, those kinds of things. Here's the task, you're cutting and sorting the pictures. See, here's the pictures that you're going to cut out. You're going to put them up here as their needs or wants. This is that formative task. Okay, here's another source. So this one's like second, source A, we're still on supporting question 1. See how thorough this is? Okay, so let's go back. This was what I downloaded from the kindergarten one. Okay, what if, whoops, went too far back. Go back to inquiries. What if I want to look up something for like 5th grade? Like, what do they suggest for 5th grade? Let's go 5th grade. I could select my topic. Let's, oh, look, Civil War. That'll be fun. 5th grade, Civil War. What do we have? Oh, here's one on slavery. Here's your little overview. Okay, but this doesn't give us much information. What do? Remember, we click on the title. We're going to get a little more information on the next page. But if you really want to look at this inquiry like I want you to, you're going to have to download the PDF, 19 pages. All right, so here's supporting questions, compelling question, how did slavery shape my state? Here are the supporting questions that will help us address this unanswerable question, really. Okay, lots of ideas, lots of big historical issues here. Okay, 19 pages, is that what this one was? 19 pages to review. All right, I hope this is helpful so you can see what I meant by reviewing the inquiries on the C3 Teachers website. Have a good weekend.